A guy brought his 2021 Tundra in for a checkup, 60,000 miles. Looked clean, drove great, seemed like a smart used buy. Then the technician pulled the oil and found metal shavings in it. Machining debris left over from the factory had been grinding into his main bearings for months. The repair bill? $12,600, out of warranty, on a truck he paid over $40,000 for. He didn't do anything wrong. He bought the wrong year. There are 5 Tundra model years that'll run past 200,000 miles on nothing but oil changes. And there are 4 that can bankrupt you. One repair alone means pulling the entire cab off the frame, and it'll run you over $9,000 per side. Let's start with the years that will never let you down. Number 5, 2013 Toyota Tundra. The 2013 Tundra is the final production year of the pre-facelift second generation, and it represents the mechanical peak of a platform that had been in development since 2007. By this point, Toyota had worked out the early kinks. Head gasket sealing issues from earlier years had been addressed, and frame coating improvements had been made. This is a truck that had 6 years of real-world refinement behind it before it ever hit a used lot. Engine choices include the 4-liter V6 at 270 horsepower, the 4.6-liter V8 at 310 horsepower, and the flagship 5.7-liter 3URF EV8, producing 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. The V8 variants pair with the heavy-duty AB60E/F 6-speed automatic transmission, built to handle serious loads without overheating. Consumer Reports awarded the 2013 Tundra a 4 out of 5 reliability rating, backed by strong owner feedback and low drivetrain warranty claims. Used examples today run between $8,621 and $12,133, depending on trim and configuration, making this one of the most affordable entry points into a proven platform. The one issue to know about is the secondary air injection system. Moisture can enter the air switching valves on cold starts, causing internal corrosion and triggering a limp mode. Fixing it the right way runs between $2,000 and $3,000. There is also a bypass kit from Hewitt Technologies that eliminates the system entirely using solid-state circuitry, which many owners prefer. Before we get to the next Tundra year, if you want a more in-depth look into how your pickup truck can last 200,000, 300,000, or even 500,000 miles, this ebook reveals the exact maintenance secrets and brand-specific strategies that every smart pickup truck owner should know. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description below. Number 4, 2014 Toyota Tundra. If you want proof that this platform was built to last, look no further than Victor Shepard. He drove his 2014 Tundra SR5 double cab to over 1 million miles. The 5.7-liter V8 never needed internal engine repairs during that entire run. The original transmission lasted 780,000 miles before it was replaced. That is not luck. That is what happens when a naturally aspirated engine is paired with a mature, well-sorted platform. The 2014 brought a complete exterior redesign and upgraded cabin, but Toyota kept the proven mechanical foundation underneath. The 5.7-liter 3URF EV8 produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, paired with the AB60E/F 6-speed automatic. Consumer Reports gave the 2014 model a perfect 5 out of 5 for both reliability and owner satisfaction, one of the strongest scores in the full-size truck segment. Used prices today range from $15,900 to $28,300, reflecting how much demand there still is for this generation. The one known issue is an occasional electronic transmission hesitation under light acceleration. The torque converter lockup timing can cause delayed upshifts. This is resolved with a simple PCM firmware reflash at any Toyota dealership. While these trucks are well out of warranty by now, it's a quick and relatively inexpensive software update to get done. Not a reason to walk away, just something to ask about before you buy. If you find a clean 2014 with documented maintenance, you are looking at one of the most dependable used trucks on the market. Hit that like button if you are finding this helpful, and make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss the rest of this list. Number 3. 2015 Toyota Tundra. The 2015 model year is where Toyota made a smart decision that paid off for buyers. They dropped the base 4-liter V6 entirely, making the 4.6-liter and 5.7-liter V8 engines the standard across every trim. That simplification reduced assembly line variance and tightened quality control across the board. Toyota also introduced the TRD Pro series this year, featuring upgraded internal bypass shocks and dual exhaust. It was a focused, confident model year. The result? Fewer than 40 lifetime complaints logged with the NHTSA. That is an exceptionally low number for any full-size truck. J.D. Power awarded the 2015 Tundra a quality and reliability score of 81 out of 100. The 5.7-liter V8 pairs with the AB60E/F6 speed automatic, and used prices currently run between $15,250 and $27,200 depending on trim. The one mechanical issue to watch is cam tower oil seepage. The camshaft boxes are sealed with liquid silicone rather than rubber gaskets, and over time, thermal cycling can cause that sealant to break down and produce a slow oil leak. If it is a minor seep, most technicians recommend monitoring oil levels and leaving it alone. If it becomes a drip, the repair involves removing the timing chain and camshaft assemblies, and the bill runs between $1,500 and $2,500. Know what you are looking at before you buy, and you will be fine. Number 2. 2020 Toyota Tundra. By 2020, Toyota had been refining this platform for 13 years. The air pump issues were resolved. The timing chain concerns had been addressed. What you get with the 2020 is a truck that combines the durability of a fully mature, naturally aspirated V8 with modern technology that earlier generations simply did not have. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the updated Intune 3.0 infotainment system. Toyota Safety Sense P came standard across all trims, giving you collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise control. This is not a stripped-down work truck. It is a fully equipped, modern half-ton built on one of the most proven powertrains in the segment. Consumer Reports gave the 2020 Tundra a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating with very high owner satisfaction scores. The 5.7-liter V8, paired with the 6-speed automatic, remains the heart of the truck, and routine oil changes using full synthetic run between $50 and $100 every 5,000 miles. Used market values range from $28,000 to $40,000, which reflects the strong demand for the last years of the naturally aspirated V8. If you want a modern truck without the risk of a first-year turbocharged platform, the 2020 is one of the smartest buys on this list. Number 1. 2021 Toyota Tundra. The 2021 Toyota Tundra is widely regarded as the most reliable half-ton truck on the modern used market, and the data backs that up. This is the final model year of the second generation, the absolute peak of a platform refined over 14 years of continuous production. It avoided the early recalls, electronic glitches, and mechanical failures that hit the third-generation launch hard. J.D. Power awarded the 2021 model a quality and reliability score of 86 out of 100. The 5.7-liter 3URF EV8 produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, paired with the AB60E/F6 speed automatic. There were only 3 minor safety recalls on this model year, both involving headlight connector pins and a potential power steering fluid leak, and both are addressed at no cost by dealerships. What makes 2021 stand out long-term is what it does not have. No high-pressure direct fuel injection, no active engine mounts, no complex turbocharger wastegate electronics. It is mechanically simple in the best possible way And that simplicity is exactly what keeps repair bills low over the long haul. Used prices range from $25,000 to $40,000 and above depending on trim. If you are buying one used truck to own for the next 10 to 15 years, this is the one. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We break down exactly this kind of information so you do not get burned on your next truck purchase. Now, let's talk about the 4 model years you need to stay away from. These are not trucks with minor quirks you can live with. These are model years with documented histories of frame failures, snapped engine components, transmission-destroying design flaws, and recalls serious enough to put your safety at risk. Buying one of these years without knowing what you are walking into can cost you more in repairs than the truck is worth before the first year is out. Number 4. 2005 Toyota Tundra. The 2005 Tundra looks like a deal on paper. Used prices run between $3,000 and $6,000, and the 4.7-liter 2 UZF EV8 is mechanically durable on its own. But what is underneath that truck is the real story, and it is not a good one. This model year was manufactured without adequate corrosion protection on the steel frame. In states with road salt and harsh winters, these frames did not just rust, they rusted through entirely. We are talking about perforation of the structural steel that holds the rear suspension, the spare tire carrier, and the brake line brackets. Toyota settled a massive class action lawsuit and ran a frame inspection and replacement program, but that program has expired. If you find a 2005 today with a rotted frame, replacing it out of pocket will cost you more than $10,000 in labor and materials alone. That is not the only problem. The 2005 Tundra uses recalled Takata airbag inflators, which are prone to metal housing ruptures during deployment. The NHTSA logged over 87 complaints about airbag malfunctions on this model year alone. On top of that, the front suspension lower ball joints can wear prematurely and pull out of their sockets while driving, causing an immediate loss of steering control. That is a safety hazard, not a maintenance issue. The price looks attractive. The risk is not worth it. Number 3. 2007 Toyota Tundra. The 2007 Tundra launched the completely redesigned second generation, and on paper, it looked like a major step forward. In reality, first-year production carried serious engineering risks. This model year accumulated 14 major recalls and over 516 individual NHTSA complaints. That is not a truck you want to buy, used without knowing exactly what you are dealing with. The most serious issue is catastrophic camshaft failure. Early production runs of the 5.7-liter engine suffered from a metallurgical defect during the casting process that created weak spots in the camshaft steel. If a camshaft snapped while driving, the engine stopped immediately, and the internal damage was extensive. Resolving it required replacing the entire engine assembly, which cost upwards of $8,000. That is not a repair. That is a financial event. The 2007 also shares the secondary air pump failure with the 2013. But on this model year, the replacement cost runs around $3,150 at a dealership. Early 4-wheel drive models were also recalled for a driveshaft slip joint defect that caused severe driveline vibrations and potential joint failure under load. And the mechanical accelerator pedals on some units could bind on floor mats, leading to unintended acceleration. Used prices range from $8,825 to $16,725. There are better years to spend that money on. Number 2. 2012 Toyota Tundra. The 2012 Tundra is one of the most problematic model years in the entire second-generation run, and the failure points hit in areas that are expensive to fix. This is not a truck with one known issue you can budget for. It is a truck with multiple documented failure modes that can stack up fast. The most alarming is early transmission failure. Multiple owners reported complete transmission failure at very low mileage, sometimes as early as 9,700 miles. The cause is wear in the transmission valve body, which leads to harsh shifts, gear slipping, and eventual hydraulic failure. Rebuilding or replacing the transmission runs around $5,500. That kind of repair on a used truck you just bought is a gut punch. The 2012 also suffers from secondary air injection pump failures, typically around the 78,500 mile mark, with replacement costs averaging $2,980. Water intrusion in the emissions system triggers OBD2 fault codes like P0440 and P2442, pushing the truck into limp mode. Software updates can help, but physical damage to the pumps and valves requires full component replacement. Used prices range from $12,000 to $20,000. That price range makes it look like a solid buy. The repair history says otherwise. Drop a comment below and let us know what year Tundra you are currently driving. Number 1, 2022 Toyota Tundra. This is the one that should concern you the most, and here is why. The 2022 Tundra introduced the third generation, replacing the proven naturally aspirated V8 with a downsized twin turbocharged 3.4-liter V6, the V35 AFTS. Toyota made this change to modernize the platform and improve fuel economy. What they delivered instead was the lowest reliability rating of any Tundra in the truck's history. Consumer Reports removed 2022 from their recommended list entirely. The primary failure is catastrophic main bearing damage. During manufacturing, metallic machining debris was not fully cleared from the engine blocks. That debris circulated through the engine oil, scoring the main bearings and leading to bearing wear, rough running, and eventual engine seizure. Replacing a seized engine out of warranty costs around $12,600. Toyota developed an acoustic diagnostic test that measures the resonant frequency of the crankshaft to assess the condition of that number 1 main bearing. Note that while owners covered under the very first 2022 to 2023 recall wave are still guaranteed a complete engine replacement, Toyota has shifted to this controversial acoustic software diagnostic for all of the subsequent expanded recall waves. If the computer approves the signature, they simply clear the truck and send it home with no physical engine repairs. Many online articles claim Toyota applies a performance nerfing software patch as a fix, but they are actually confusing this with an entirely separate transmission software update for rolling stop hesitation. For the engine recall, the software is strictly a diagnostic test. It doesn't fix or change anything if you pass, meaning those potential metal shavings are still a ticking time bomb inside your engine block. Then there is the turbocharger wastegate issue. The electronic wastegate linkage binds under thermal stress, and because the turbochargers sit low and tight against the rear cylinder blocks, replacing them requires a complete cab-off frame teardown. That process takes between 15 and 22 flat-rate labor hours, and the out-of-pocket bill runs from $5,500 to $9,500 per side. Used prices range from $33,700 to $51,300. That is a lot of money to spend on a truck that could hand you a 5-figure repair bill the moment the warranty runs out. Avoid this one on the used market until the long-term reliability picture becomes a lot clearer. Here is the bottom line. The Toyota Tundra is one of the most capable and durable full-size trucks ever built, but that reputation depends entirely on which model year you buy. The 2021 and 2020 stand above everything else on this list as the most refined, most reliable versions of the naturally aspirated V8 platform. The 2015, 2014, and 2013 are all proven, dependable trucks that reward basic maintenance with long-term reliability. But the 2005, 2007, 2012, and 2022 have documented histories of failures that can cost you thousands before the first year is out. Do your homework, run the VIN, and make sure the year you are buying is working for you, not against you. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.